In my last video, I designed this sneaker logo without edits. Today I am refining it with explaining why some parts work and some don't. A logo is never perfect in the first try. Today I will show you how revisions help professional. This is revision number 1. This revision is about making the logo technically correct. In this revision you will fix alignment, spacing and balance. Please follow the steps on the screen. Please follow the steps shown on the screen. The logo on the right side of the thumbnail is the final revision. Before we reach that, I will show you why the first revision wasn't enough. In this revision, we will see the alignment of the wings on the edges of letter S. Secondly, we will show some alignment on text. To continue this procedure, we have to take a type tool and type a text first. Because this is converted in outline, so it can't be edited. We can change the word spacing so that it will give a more clearer look. And we can decrease some amount of text alignment or vertical alignment. And we can change this font family from extreme black to bold or medium. Now thirdly, I will show the alignment of space between the two objects. This is very useful thing and you can use whenever you create a logo like this woodmark logo. So this revision 1 is completed. Select both the objects and align it centrally. So now we will be moving to revision number 2. Now I am matching the logo with the sneakers brand personality, which will show speed or motion, feeling and brand emotions. For this we will take audio wide regular font and follow the steps as shown on the screen. arrow is taken which recognize speed and motion. In this version, I will take Gotham medium font. We have created 2 revisions. So let me know which logo you liked it in the comments. Lastly, this will be the presentation for the client. This is why designers never stop at the first draft. Hope this was useful for you. See you in the next video with a new challenge. Thank you for watching.